Good morning. It's a little bit after 11:30, I believe. 10:29. We are on the Falls River is to the right of us, and that is the Powerhouse Falls Road right there at the bottom of the screen. The horn we just heard was the Canadian National crossing US 41 on its way down the Lance Hill from Herman. And then it crossed Golf Course Road. That is why you hear the lengthy horns. And right now it is approaching milepost 216. And after that, the road up just above the middle of your screen is the fiber yard. And after that, they will be coming towards us on their way down the Lance Hill. This will be my only video today because I have a jam-packed day. But since this is Thursday, I won't get anything else until next Tuesday. So I hate to miss even one day. We had some deer action crossing the road earlier. Lots of gnats here today. Here it comes. Let's see, we don't want to get blur. Let's see how that looks. They're going over that Lance bump. I'll have to walk up there one day and show you. I will the next time we do the fiber yard. Haven't taken from there lately either. Ooh, these gnats are horrible. Let's move this up. There's been some action on the tracks on the side of the shrine. I'm gonna go check it out later. They've Dan, the track inspector, went down them, but that's normal. But the truck that was in front of him, I'm just curious because our Chamber of Commerce wants to abandon the tracks from Mingy Road to the industrial park. So any action at all brings out my curiosity, and everybody's closed mouth, all the crew here. They won't tell me anything of real importance. So I have to wait and find out for myself. Move this over just. I'm gonna have to stop this at some point and get a few photos, so I'll do it right now. They should have a fairly large load to pick up because they didn't pick up that many Tuesday. You could see the blue there. That is Keweenaw Bay. Just like glass today. Perfect day to be out on the water. Perfect day to go exploring the old ore dock and Huron Bay. Right after July 31st in our celebration of 50 years on the Red Rocks at the Shrine, I am going to be spending a lot more time in my explorations. I've had to keep my nose to the grindstone for a while. So I am most anxious to get back to the explorations. I think I'm going to close this down and I am going to start my day. I'm going to head over to the tracks there that are discontinued and see if I can find out what's going on. Anyhow, this is Nancy on the Lance Hill, looking towards Keweenaw Bay, watching the Canadian National as it makes its way to the Lance Sub. And I will be back Tuesday. Thanks for watching, everyone. Catch you later. Catch you trackside. Did I lose my train? There we go.